everybody, good morning. Thank you so much for being with us this morning. Lovely to see you all here today. My name is Chantelle. I'm one of the co-founders of Mango Studios London.
And my name is Nathan, one of the co-founders of Mango Studios London as well.
So today we are doing a workshop which is about entrepreneurship. So we're going to also improve your self-confidence, your self-esteem, test your public speaking skills, play some games, and ultimately we have a very cool expert panel coming this afternoon who are going to be judging you guys, who will be pitching to win a free podcast studio recording session at Mango Studios.
So all we want from you guys is just to bring your A game. Just bring some enthusiasm and just enjoy today, that's all. You know, we've got a lovely team with us who are gonna be around here bringing that enthusiasm as well. So today is just about you lot just bringing your A game and having fun with it.
Right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're gonna put you guys in pairs. So first of all, A's, what we would like you to do is we would like you to compliment your B as many times as you can. My love over here, how did it feel to give all the compliments? Felt good?
So awkward, yeah?
I get shy.
You're going to be set up in the VR headset. We're going to set you up in the VR headset, okay?
Just so you know, some of these activities might require you to step outside your comfort zone a little.
I want you to spend the next minute or two talking about something that's really familiar to you.
What did you say you learned about in BodySwaps?
They told me to focus on like the small stuff, not only like the big stuff. Like to calm down and stuff like that.
How do you think it would help you in life?
Yeah, to not like maybe stress too much if I am feeling anxious in like another situation or something.
Okay.
So we're here today at Mango Studios London workshop and I'm with
Spencer Owen, how you doing?
Sarah.
Stephen Allen.
So the kids are going to be pitching a podcast studio to you lot, and what are you lot looking for?
I think originality, confidence in what they're pitching.
Yeah, passion about your the plan.
Preparation, being concise, short and sweet. Very concise though.
Very concise, a smile, and Spencer's looking for someone like me, basically.
Okay, the inside scoop. Brilliant. Girls, sell this, okay? We've got a big boy panel here. I don't know if you know, like with Spencer Owen, he's got like 2 million subscribers on YouTube. We've got Sarah, who's in Goldfinch Productions. And talk about what you're passionate about. You said fashion. I love fashion. Your swag. Be playful. Do you know what I mean? Be confident. Show like you're not somebody to be forgotten. This is your time to make an impact. Make a round of applause for Mr. Stephen Allen. Thank you very much. And make some noise for Sarah Poole. Thank you for joining us. Can you make some noise for Mr. Spencer Owen? Group number 1, we're starting at the back and coming to the front. Make some noise.
My name is Irene. Our brand and our company is called Fashion Talks.
Yeah, that was a good pitch. I wanted to ask the question when you mentioned about a unique background. Was that for every individual podcast, or was that just something like? Could you give me a bit more context on the unique background?
So whatever, if you have influencers on the podcast, whatever they like request for the background to be, we give to them. And we also use AI to like make it as unique as they want.
So what is your guys' plan in talking about getting guests on? I think that's the most important thing for ensuring a podcast growth, you know, and then continue it from there. Have you got an angle you think you might approach to get people to come on the podcast?
We would probably look at a lot of trends that are happening in social media and stuff, and depending on what brands are trending and what type of clothing is trending, we would look at the most people or celebrities or influencers who are mostly wearing those brands or those sort of style clothing, and then ask them to come in.
When can I join up?
Right, guys. We have the panel decision. Nathan, I'll let you hand over to the panel.
There you go, Mr. Allen.
I want to thank you all for your pitches. You're always really good. You should all give yourself a round of applause as you all stood up and done really well. So give yourself I really like some of the research you've done. I can't wait to come to some of your podcasts and get that 10% off and that relaxed massage chairs. I really like the way that you lot really did think about like the market research, the USPs, unique selling points. I really liked how it was. I'm really surprised as young, how young you lot are to really understand business the extent you did. You really have plans going forward. Some of the questions you got asked about really well. So I just wanted to thank all of you for that. You lot done really well.
And it always gets easier with time as well, so keep practicing, keep doing it, you will get better as well. If you're not as confident, trust me, I was just like you guys one day again, talking in front of people and I hated it, and now I basically do it as a job. I'm not going to reveal the winner, but I'm just going to talk about another team that we wanted to shout out who hasn't won, but we thought were really good. And that's the team actually that went first, and going first is really tough, it's a fashion podcast, guys. You know, when you go first, you give everyone else like an opportunity to see what it's like and learn from it, and you don't know what to expect. And I think it was a really good pitch. So well done. Like I say, going first is tough, and everyone else got to learn from you, so well done.
Okay, so the one that we chose actually was Sister Studios. We really loved it. It's female-led. We thought that you've got a great ethos behind it. You know, the safe environment, the women's empowerment, all that stuff. We loved it. The Q&A. I think it's just really good. You can easily build a good community around that. The only thing we did say, a little bit of a thing, we would say just don't, the slogan, we loved it. We just said just don't try and maybe not try and exclude everybody. And you know, men can really benefit from hearing some of the things that women go through and understanding that as well.
Ladies, please can you just give us a few words about how you feel right now and what's coming next?
Well, we're very happy to have won.
I think the stress that we went through to make this, it really paid off, and I'm really happy that we won because it means our dedication really brought something out of it.
And I would also like to just thank again our amazing panel, Spencer, Sarah, and Stephen. Thank you so much. We have a round of applause for our panel, please. Thank you very much, guys.
Can you just give us some feedback of how you felt today went, please?
Yeah, absolute pleasure. The kids got a lot from it. It was very interactive, and I do think we're going to have some great entrepreneurs of the future. Thank you very much to Team Mango, and we've had a fabulous day, so thank you so much.
So, man, you.